Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of Designer Brands Inc., a leading name in the footwear and accessories industry. We'll explore their second quarter of 2024 performance, strategic initiatives, and what it all means for investors like you. Stay tuned for an in-depth analysis. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
Designer Brands Inc. reported its third consecutive quarter of sequential comparable sales improvement, driven by strong performance in the athleisure category. Despite a 2.6% decrease in net sales to $771.9 million and a 1.4% decrease in total comparable sales, the company saw growth in its U.S. retail segment and brand portfolio. Adjusted net income was $17.1 million, with adjusted diluted EPS of 29 cents. The company also repurchased 2.7 million Class A common shares and updated its financial outlook for 2024.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the current quarter was $771.9 million, a decrease of 2.6% compared to the same period last year.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The GAAP EPS for the current quarter was 24 cents, down from 56 in the same period last year. The non-GAAP adjusted diluted EPS was 29 cents compared to 59 in the same period last year.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
U.S. retail, $641.7 million, a decrease of 2.6% compared to the same period last year. Canada retail, $74.8 million, an increase of 6.4% compared to the same period last year. Brand portfolio, $96 million, an increase of 14.0% compared to the same period last year.
Operational efficiency. What were the GAAP and non-GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
The GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter were $226.9 million compared to $214.5 million in the same period last year. The non-GAAP adjusted operating expenses were $223 million compared to $212.9 million in the same period last year.
Cash flow and financial health. What are the key points of the balance sheets?
Cash and cash equivalents, $38.8 million. Inventories, $642.8 million. Total assets, $2.17 billion. Total liabilities, $1.748 billion. Shareholders' equity, $355.5 million.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
Continued focus on growing the athleisure category, investments in retail and brand businesses to accelerate growth, optimization of assortment, marketing, and omni-channel customer experience.
Risk and challenges. What are the key risks and challenges highlighted in the report or discussed by the management?
Uncertain general economic and financial conditions, fluctuating interest rates and inflationary pressures, rapidly changing consumer preferences and fashion trends, risks related to cybersecurity threats and data breaches, risks associated with climate change and weather events.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
The company has updated its guidance for the full year 2024. Net sales growth, flat to low single digits. Adjusted diluted EPS, 50 cents, 60.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
Designer Brands Inc. showed resilience in a challenging market by achieving sequential comparable sales improvement and strong performance in the athleisure category. However, the company faced a decline in net sales and gross profit. Strategic investments and a focus on optimizing the assortment and customer experience are expected to drive future growth. The company's share buyback program and updated financial outlook indicate a cautious but optimistic approach.
That's all for today's analysis of Designer Brands Inc.'s second quarter of 2024 financial results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think Designer Brands is a good buy right now. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.